Hello guys, welcome back to my channel NexTutorial. My name is Khalil and today I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step on how to hard reset or factory reset your brand new Google Pixel 4 or Google Pixel 4 XL. It's a very easy method. Follow the steps and you won't have any issues. What you want to do, you want to press the volume down key and the power key at the same time. You want to press and keep holding until you get to this screen right here. You want to use the volume down key to navigate. Then you will see recovery mode. Then you want to press the power key. The next screen you will get, it will say no command. What you want to do, you want to press the power key. Then you want to press the volume up key. And you want to do it quick. Then you will get to this recovery screen. You want to press the volume down key to navigate all the way to where it says wipe data factory reset. Then scroll down to the bottom option, factory data reset. Then you want to press the power key. Once that is done, you want to go ahead and press the power to restart your device. This is it guys. This concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.